Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a very special way to cook eggs, using only simple ingredients readily available around you. The method is very easy, but it transforms the familiar egg dish into something new, delicious, and much more appealing. I added some baking soda to the water, then stirred gently until it dissolved completely. After stirring, I prepared 2 bamboo tubes to put down for washing. Baking soda helps to clean away dirt and odors that may still be clinging to bamboo surfaces. Use a brush to clean the inside of the bamboo tube. Gently wash both the outside and inside surfaces, paying special attention to the inner part of the pipe, as this is the more difficult area to clean. After cleaning, I rinsed it with clean water to remove any remaining baking soda. Next, I cracked 5 eggs into a bowl with a spout. Then, using a spoon, carefully separate the yolk and the egg white. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then, add a little salt to each side. Then stir everything well. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then I slowly poured the egg yolks into the 2 bamboo tubes, dividing them evenly in each tube. Note, only pour into half of the bamboo tube. Then, I used plastic wrap to tightly cover both ends of the tube. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I placed both of them in the steamer, then gently laid them down on their sides. Cover with a lid and steam for 15 minutes. While waiting, I prepared a cucumber, cut it in half, and then sliced it thinly. Cucumbers are 95% water, making them excellent for hydration, detoxifying the body, and aiding weight loss. Shredded onions. Microbiologists have calculated that, on average, each person should eat about 30 different types of vegetables every week. One large tomato. Tomatoes are truly a superfood, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Their main benefit lies in their high lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect body cells and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. One avocado. Which country are you watching my video from? Please write in the comments. Avocados are a superfood, rich in beneficial monounsaturated fats and vitamins. They also help absorb nutrients from other foods. Eating vegetables, fruits, berries, herbs, beans, and nuts helps boost energy, performance, mood, and even the immune system. What's your favorite salad? Share it in the comments. Eight to 10 olives. Microbiologists have calculated that, on average, a person should eat about 30 different types of plants each week. A bunch of parsley, chopped. Salt to taste, fresh ground black pepper. Cathra tablespoons olive oil. Juice of half a lemon. Have a great day and be full of positive energy. This salad helps you stay in shape and provides plenty of vitamins. Please share your thoughts on this recipe in the comments. At this point, the yolk inside has begun to solidify and form a fairly firm base. I took out the bamboo tube and removed the wrapping. Then continue pouring the egg whites into the remaining space inside. This time, I put it in the oven for 30 minutes so that the egg inside could continue to stabilize and become firmer. And this is when I became most curious. I took the bamboo tubes out, let them cool down a bit, and then gently peeled off the outer bamboo casing. And finally, an egg mass with a shape completely different from how we usually make them appeared. Now, simply slice it into rounds, and you'll clearly see the egg white surrounding the yolk inside. With just familiar eggs and 2 bamboo tubes, we've created a shape that makes eggs much more interesting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.